The price of Shiba Inu Coin, along with the rest of the cryptocurrency market, has come down heavily over the last couple of days. But the good news is, at least at these current levels, we are still maintaining an ascending trend line. We are still maintaining a bullish breakout, and we are still maintaining that, I guess, descending triangle or that wedge pattern that people have been talking about for the last couple of months. Now, we're going to go over the price action a little bit in this video, and we're also going to be touching on an article that says, well, if Shiba Inu Coin breaks through these supports, there's a possibility we add another zero. I don't think we break that. I don't think we break down through these supports. I don't think we add a zero, but we're going to be talking about it anyway. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we get this article on the screen that we're going to go over in a second here. But first, let's talk about the price action, right? Let's talk about what Shiba Inu Coin is actually doing. And Shiba Inu Coin is actually maintaining an ascending trend line. As you can see here, Shiba Inu Coin has been hitting these higher lows over the last month or so. It had an exponential rally, taking it up to resistance levels of 2,100 points per coin. It got rejected at those resistance levels as Bitcoin got rejected at 66,000, and it began to fall. Now, a lot of this decline has to do with, I guess, global uncertainties with a lot of the stuff that's been taking place overseas. Bombs are being dropped, people are being killed, and it's not a good sign, and the cryptocurrency market has reflected that. But if you're looking at a technical analysis, we can still see that the price of Shiba Inu Coin is rising. It still has an ascending trend line. And if you go back through this descending wedge that we have here, you can see that since the March high, Shiba Inu Coin had been hitting lower highs, but it finally broke out of that descending wedge pattern. And here we are now, rising once again. So the overall breakout is still intact. We simply had an exponential rally, followed by a slowdown or a breakdown and a rejection off of that resistance level. And now we could be bouncing off of this ascending trend line. So that is a very positive sign or a very positive signal that Shiba Inu Coin's price is still rising. From there, though, we have to cover our bases. We have to understand that it is a possibility that Shiba Inu Coin comes down. So let's see what this article has to say about Shiba Inu Coin potentially adding another zero if this support is broken. It says Shiba Inu Coin, which has landed on a crucial support level, might see a strong retrace in the short term. As of right now, the token is trading slightly above the daily chart's 100-period exponential moving average, a key technical indicator that has served as support in recent weeks. Shiba Inu, however, may experience additional downward momentum, bringing the price down to a much lower threshold if the crucial level is broken. It says the 50-period exponential moving average is the next significant level below the 100-period exponential moving average, and although it is frequently not regarded as a strong support level in bearish trends, it often functions better as a stopgap measure than a significant price floor. If the 100-period exponential moving average is broken, there could be a quick move towards the 50-period exponential moving average, given the state of the market in SHIB's technical configuration. It says, for holders of Shiba Inu Coin, this scenario is especially concerning because a breach of the 50-period exponential moving average and 100 could lead to a more substantial price decline, possibly bringing the price to the psychologically significant 1,000 points per coin. In the near run, recovery would be much more difficult if Shiba Inu Coin were to add another zero to its price, as this would encourage more bearish sentiment. Relatively high trading volumes for the token during the most recent decline is also noteworthy, as this may point towards growing bearish momentum. Look, I don't think that an increase in trading volume is in any way bearish. Okay? I think that Shiba Inu Coin has experienced a nice rally over the last couple of days. Last couple of weeks, based on the Federal Reserve's decision to lower interest rates. Since then, we've had a lot of political uncertainty across the globe, and it's caused people to be a little bit more cautious. The next Federal Reserve meeting, I believe, will see another interest rate cut, and it's going to spike prices once again. Because as investors are essentially forced to move from risky or non-risky assets, such as bonds, bank accounts, and CDs, into risky assets, like Shiba Inu Coin, cryptocurrency, the stock market, we are going to see a beautiful rally as the next year unfolds and as the Federal Reserve continues to cut interest rates there. If that happens, and when that happens, because they will cut interest rates, I believe that Shiba Inu Coin is going to soar in value, and I believe tokens like Pepe Unchained are going to soar in value as well. If you guys haven't seen Pepe Unchained, there's a link in the description below for it. There's a link in the pinned comment as well. It's very easy to connect wallet, right? Technically, if you need a wallet, I accidentally clicked that. But you can use Wallet Connect, and I scan this QR code with the wallet on my phone. And then from there, all you got to do is determine how much you want to buy. So if you want to grab 1 Ethereum worth, you're going to be walking away with 229,520 Pepe tokens or Pepe Unchained tokens. Guys, it's been able to do $17.176 million in inflows. Shiba Inu Coin hasn't even seen $17 million in inflows over the last couple of months. And it's been able to do it because it's building a layer 2 blockchain specifically for meme coins. We are only steps away from seeing interest in the cryptocurrency space rise once again. If we are here, if we are invested, if we continue to accumulate during this period of stagnation and staleness, we are the ones that are going to benefit from this price increase. Right now, people are fearful. You can see a level of 37 fear out on CoinStats. Right now, people are fearful. You can see a level of 36 fear on CoinMarketCap. Because people are so emotional, any little movement to the downside typically causes a larger move to the downside. Any little move to the upside typically causes a nice large move to the upside as well. People are extremely emotional right now. They're on the edge of their seat. They don't necessarily know which way Shiba Inu Coin is going to go. And I do want to bring this up as well, guys. I've recently just started using this KCEX exchange here. It really reminds me of KuCoin. KuCoin was my favorite exchange, but of course you can't use KuCoin in the United States anymore. This is a no KYC centralized exchange. It is a centralized exchange here that you can use in the United States. And you have a 370 USDT deposit bonus. That is the biggest that I have seen of any exchange. Now, I think that these guys are doing a very good job of enticing people to come and use their exchange because they know that when the bull market hits, the real volume is going to be there. And the more people using their exchange, clearly the better off they're going to be. But this is what I like the best about it. If you come out, you click on market, and you look at their meme coin selection. They have the largest meme coin selection of any centralized exchange that I have ever seen. And I actually own a lot of Mother and Daddy token. Iggy Azalea's Mother token is available. It is also available that you can trade futures on as well. $1.5 million in futures volume over the last 24 hours. And then Andrew Tate's Daddy token as well. Both of these are available on this platform. So if you don't want to go out there and figure out how to use all the different decentralized exchanges and wallets and so on, KCEX could absolutely be a top option for you. I want to know what you guys think about it all down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.